everyone, welcome to Amarjyoti's Crochet World. Today I'm here once again with my new tutorial. Today we are going to make a continue video of this beautiful and cute baby shoe. In the part 1 of the video we have made this cute baby shoe sole, very easy and very quick to make. Now in this second part we'll be making the rest of the part of the shoe. Okay, so for making this we have used acrylic yarn, 4-ply acrylic yarn. You can also use any kind of yarn, even cotton yarn or acrylic yarn or anything. The crochet hook that we used for this making this shoe sole is 3.5 mm crochet hook. We need a tapestry needle to hide the ends, and as I told you, in the part 3 we will be making the strap and the rows, and for attaching the rows we will be needing this tic tac buttons or tic tacs, switch what do you call is tic tac buttons you call. So we need a normal needle, the thread needle, to sew this to stitch these tic tacs. Okay, for this part you need to have only, for the second part of this video you need to have only this part of this color. I'm using the white color yarn, so you have to use the any color yarn, but only for making the shoe part of this over the sole. Okay, so for part 1 the link is in the subscription in the description box, so you can click over there and make the part 1 of this video, and then let's continue with the part 2. Okay, so part 1 we ended up by making one single crochet all around the shoe sole, and then now we are starting with the over the hair only. Okay, if you're attaching any other color, make a slip stitch over here and then cut the yarn, finish it off, and then attach any other color of yarn over here. Okay, so now start with chain 2. So we are going to make one half double crochet stitch in each of the 64 stitches. As I told you in the part 1, there will be, your stitch count will be 64. Okay, sorry, so we have to make one half double crochet stitch in each of the back loops only. So you may be knowing that. Okay, let me show you. So there are two loops in the stitch. So the loop that is facing towards yourself is the front loop, and the loop that is away from you on the other side is called the back loop. So we will be working in the back loops only. So we are making half double crochet stitch, so in the back loop only. Otherwise we usually take to both of the loops, but now here, because we are going to make this edge to your shoe. Okay, so like this we are going to give an edge to the shoe, so that is why we are going to make half double crochet stitch in the back loop only. One half double crochet stitch in the back loop only till the end, so your stitch count will be 64. Okay, so like this a rim or an edge is formed, right? So I'll meet you at the end of row number 1 by making one half double crochet stitch in the back loops only of this stitch. So your stitch count should remain 64 at the end of row number 1. So this is the end of row number 1. Make a slip stitch on the top of chain 2, the starting chain 2. So your stitch count has become 64. See, like this your shoe will start forming. Okay, so this edge is formed and with the sole, right? So row number 2 and row number 3 we are going to continue like same. So row number 2 is chain 2. Now make one half double crochet stitch in both the loops this time. Okay, one means you have to make one half double crochet stitch in each of the 64 stitches for row number 2 and row number 3, but this time we are not working in both the loop, in a single loop, any back loop or front loop, anything. We are making in both the loops like this. Okay, so we will be working like this. Make one half double crochet stitch in each of the stitches till the end. When you reach the 64th stitch, make a slip stitch on the top of chain 2. This will be end of row number 2, chain 2. Again for row number 3, chain 2 and make 1 half double crochet stitch in each of the stitches, and slip stitch on the top of chain 2. Your row number 3 will be done. So I'll meet you at the end of row number 3 by making 1 half double crochet stitch in each of the stitches. Until the end of row number 3, your stitch count will remain 64. So I'll meet you at the end of row number 3. So we have done row number up to row number 3, 3 rows with 1 half double crochet stitch in each of the stitch. Now your shoe has taken a height, okay, like this. Okay, now we are going to make now we are going to give it a decreasing part on the foot, on the fingers part over this. Okay, so now see, if you keep it like this is the center ring. If you can see, this is one stitch to left side. Okay, so one or two stitches, or one stitch I will say. Okay, so we will give that kind of stitch count. So keep it a straight one on the foot part. Okay, so assuming that it is in the center of the shoe, just a little bit to the side or on any of the side. So follow the same sequence as I am going to make. So start row number 4 with chain 2. Now make 1 half double crochet stitch in each of the next 25 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this, make 1 half double crochet stitch in 25 stitches. Okay, 25 half double crochet stitches. Now we are going to make a decreasing part. Now in next stitches, make 2 half double crochet together for 8 times. So yarn over, insert the hook in the first stitch, yarn over and pull it out. You have 3 loops in the hook, and then insert the hook in the next stitch and yarn over and pull it out. You have 4 loops in the hook. Yarn over and pull through all the 4 loops. So this is 2 half double crochet together for the first time. So like this we are going to make 2 half double crochet together for the second time, for the third time, fourth time, fifth time, sixth time, seventh time, and eighth time. So 8 time, 2 half double crochet together. So it will give a curve to the foot, right? Now make 1 half double crochet stitch in each of the next 23 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. Slip stitch on the top of chain 2, the starting one. Your row number 4 is done. You can see your shoe has been turned inside a bit. It has given a shape of the foot like this. Okay, now row number 5, start with chain 2, 1 half double crochet stitch in each of the next 21 stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. Okay, so 1 half double crochet stitch in the 21 stitches, and then again we are going to make 2 half double crochet stitch together for 8 times once again. So 1 time 2 half double crochet together, second time 2 half double crochet together, third time 2 half double crochet together, fourth time 2 half double crochet together, fifth time 2 half double crochet together, sixth time 2 half double crochet together, seventh time 2 half double crochet together, and eighth time 2 half double crochet together. Okay, now make 1 half double crochet stitch in each of the next 19 stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Slip stitch on the top of chain 2, the starting chain 2. Your row number 5 is also ready. Okay, last row, that is row number 6. It is also for decreasing row. Start with chain 2. Again make 1 half double crochet stitch in the first 21 stitches. So 1, 2, 3 like this. Make 1 half double crochet stitch in the 21 stitches. Okay, 21 half double crochet stitches. Now 2 half double crochets together for 4 times. So one time 2 half double crochet together. Se- oh, Second time 2 half double crochet together. Third time 2 half double crochet together, and fourth oh, fourth time 2 half double crochet together. Okay, that's it. Now make 1 half double crochet in each of the next 19 stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. And 60 number of chain 2. So your basic shoe is ready. Now we are going to give an edge to the shoe. Okay. So how to make this edge? Chain 1, and we are going to make the crab stitch. Okay. So crab, usually our stitches go from right to left side. So crab stitch will work from left left to right stitch, means we are working on the opposite direction. Okay. uh, Chain 1, and in the stitch one stitch um, before this chain 1, we are going to insert our hook, yarn over and pull out the chain, and then we have two loops in the hook, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Again insert the hook in the one stitch before that stitch, yarn over and pull it out. You have two loops in the hook, yarn over and pull through both the loops like this. This is called crab stitch. Crab stitch gives a beautiful edge to your work. Okay, like this. This very easy, just a tricky one. You have to take care of. Just hold the loop in the hook, insert the hook in the one stitch before, yarn over and pull it out, and make a single crochet stitch like this. It is the single crochet to the back of the stitch, means I will say this stitch works backward, not forward. So keep on making one crab stitch in the whole edge and slip stitch. I'll show you how to make the end this row. So make a one crab stitch in all the stitches. If you don't want to make a crab stitch, you can just make a slip stitch or anything on any edge on this the shoe end. Otherwise you can keep it like this as well. Okay, so I'll meet you at the end of this row by completing the crab stitch. Now to end this row, I have made crab stitch in the last stitch. Now leaving with tail, cut the yarn and take out the hook from the stitch. So now we have to attach this yarn to this stitch. Now taking my tapestry needle, okay, so what I am going to do is just passing it through the first stitch and then like this. So this way it is attached, right? Now inside of the shoe, just tie a knot and then hide the extra tail inside your work by passing some stitch to this side and some stitches to this side. This cut the end. So this way the shoe is ready. So let me show you the shoe like this. Okay, so the base, the sole we have made in the part 1 of the video. In part 2 we have made the belly part of the shoe, part of the this sandal or shoe. Okay, in part 3 we will be making this strap and the spiral kind of rose. Okay, so hope you like my video on making this beautiful and very easy and very quick project. So to decorate your baby's feet. Okay, so hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get the notification for each and every time I'll upload anything new. And stay tuned for part 3 of this video so that you can decor your shoe like this. Otherwise your shoe is also complete like this only. Okay, you can attach any kind of decorative material over there, or any kind of flower or anything on over there, so your shoe will be ready. Otherwise you can make it a strap like shoe by watching my part 3 of this video. Okay, so hope you like it. So thank you for watching my videos. Thank you once again. God bless you.